In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Sites to incorporate files from your Google Drive. Google Sites is a handy tool that allows you to create customized websites effortlessly. Whether you're creating a personal blog or a collaborative project site, knowing how to insert files from your Google Drive can enrich your site's content and presentation. So let's get started with the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you've successfully logged in, head over to Google Sites. You can find this by simply typing Google Sites into your preferred search engine or navigating directly if you have it bookmarked. Google Sites offers a user-friendly interface that welcomes you with a variety of templates or the option to start from scratch. Select the option that best suits your project needs and we'll move on from there. Once you're in the Google Sites editor, you'll notice a menu along the right side of your screen where all your customization options are located. From this menu, click on Insert. The Insert tab is your main workspace for adding various elements to your page, from images and text to more functional components like files from other Google apps. Now that you've accessed the Insert menu, it's time to add some files from your Google Drive. Look for the Drive icon or button within this menu section. By clicking on Drive, a panel will appear with your Google Drive contents. This convenient feature allows you to search through your current files and folders stored in Drive without needing to leave the site's interface. Whether you're looking to upload documents, spreadsheets, slides, or any media file, the process remains the same. Select the file you wish to include in your site. It might be helpful to organize your Drive beforehand so you can easily find the files you anticipate needing for your site. Once you've located your desired file, click Insert. The file will be magically integrated into your Google site, giving your audience direct access to the content you want to share. You can adjust the positioning and size of the file on your page to best suit your design preferences. And just like that, we're all done. You've successfully inserted a file from Google Drive into your Google site. This simple method allows your sites to be more informative and interactive by utilizing content already available in your Drive. Remember, the more you explore Google's various tools, the more proficient you'll become at creating dynamic, content-rich websites. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has given you the confidence to incorporate Google Drive files into your future Google Sites projects. Don't forget to explore additional features in Google Sites to further customize and enhance your web pages. Keep practicing and happy creating.